Good morning students, myself Renu Yadav and today I'll teach you Science, class 3rd, chapter 10, Sun as a Natural Resource. Children, in our previous sessions we discussed about solar energy. What solar energy is? Any type of energy that is obtained from the sun is solar energy. Then we discussed about the types of sources of energies, right? So there were two sources of energy. One was renewable source of energy and the other one was non-renewable source of energy, right? And what is renewable source of energy? Energy generated from natural sources. Natural sources like wind, water, sunlight, these kind of energy is called renewable source of energy. And the second form was non-renewable source of energy. What is non-renewable source of energy? Energy generated from natural resources that are found beneath the earth. Okay, that are found beneath the earth and they used to take millions of years to develop. Those are non-renewable sources of energy. We also made a comparison between renewable and non-renewable sources of energy, which goes with that renewable source of energy do not create any kind of pollution, but non-renewable source of energy causes air and water pollution. Okay, renewable sources are easily available and they are always available to us, but non-renewable sources of energy, as they take millions of years to form, they are not easily available. Okay, they are not always available to us. We should use them with our brain. Okay, we should make proper use of non-renewable sources of energy. With this, a new topic comes, and that is conservation of energy, right? What is conservation of energy? A careful preservation and protection of energy is called conservation of energy. The wise use of energy, okay? And we also discussed that how can we use energy wisely. We discussed methods like using CFL bulbs, doing carpools, cycling instead of driving, walking short distances, okay, or using public transport, then turning off the lights and the fans of the rooms which we are not using. There are so many methods which we can follow to conserve energy, and I hope you all are practicing that. Now, what we will do today, we will do a revision worksheet of this chapter. Now, I am going to write a worksheet related to the same topic on the board. What you have to do is, you have to write all the questions as I will be writing it here on the blackboard, and then you have to write the answers by yourself. Okay, so open your copies and write. Write today's date first, that is 10th of January, and then write revision worksheet. Okay, now I am going to write the first question. What you have to do, write the question first and then write the answer. Okay. First question is, take the correct answer. Your first question is, the sun shines most brightly in winters or summers? Second question. The main source of heat and light on Earth is moon or sun? Second question. Examples of each. Renewable sources of energy. And the second one. That sun gives us. Third question. Fill in the blanks. And your first question is, if the Earth was very close to the sun, we would have got dash. Okay? Second question. The energy from the sun is called dash. Next part. Answer the following. Okay? First question. What are non-renewable sources of energy? And the last question is, list 5 ways to conserve energy. Now children, this is your worksheet of lesson number 10, sun as a natural resource. And what are the questions here? The first question is, tick the correct answer. Here a statement is given to you with different option. Whichever option is correct, you have to tick mark that option. Alright. The first question is, the sun shines most brightly in winters or summer. Whichever answer is correct, you tick mark that answer. Alright. Second question, the main source of heat and light on earth is moon or sun. Whichever answer is correct, you tick mark that answer. Next question, give 2 examples of each. Here a term is given to you, that is renewable source of energy. You have to write down 2 examples of these sources. Okay. And in the second question, 2 things that sun gives us. You have to write the name of two things that sun used to give to us here. Alright? Next question, fill in the blanks. A statement is given to you with a blank and you have to fill that blank according to the statement. If the earth was very close to the sun, we would have got dash. Alright? Fill in here. Next question. The energy from the sun is called dash. Okay, the energy which we used to get from the sun is called dash. Fill in the answer here. Last one is answer the following. Two questions are given to you and you have to give the answers of these two questions. The first question is, what are non-renewable sources of energy? Here you have to write the definition of non-renewable sources of energy. Okay? And in the second question, list 5 ways to conserve energy. We have learned different ways how we can conserve energy, and from all those ways you have to pen down 5 ways. Okay? Write down 5 ways to conserve energy. With this, I end up today's session. Complete your revision worksheet. Thank you.